YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here, showing you my compost bin. I just dumped some fruits and vegetables in here. You see the black? That's the compost. Usually it takes about less than a week to break all this down. Tons of worms in here and other kind of bugs, and it breaks it down. Here's the other side. Also throw leaves in here and grass clippings from when I cut the grass, cut the lawn. I'm going to use this next year, put it in a garden bed. I'm going to use this also to put in my banana plant when I overwinter it, so it can get a jump on next year. But this is my dual composting bin.